The African Continental Unity Party ACUP is fundamentally a pan-African movement committed to unifying the continent politically, socially, and economically to tackle its shared challenges. The party is firmly against neocolonialism, advocating for African control over its resources. ACUP's vision centers on using these resources for the benefit of Africans, aiming for sustainable development and growth across the continent. Key ideals and goals: new African leadership. ACUP prioritizes nurturing a new generation of leaders in politics and business. These leaders would build an African global power base capable of addressing internal challenges without external dependency. African ACUP. Pan-African cooperation. The party champions regional cooperation in sectors like energy and infrastructure. For example, it supports agreements between countries like Mali and Niger to share energy resources, fostering mutual growth at reduced cost. African ACUP.